Welcome back to Handiworks. Today we're creating a playful and charming border pattern that's perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your projects. The combination of back stitches and weaving creates a unique and eye-catching design that's sure to add a touch of personality to any garment or accessory. I'm using this lovely off-white cotton fabric. Hey Stitches, new to embroidery? I've got you covered. Check out my beginner embroidery courses, links in the description below. Then I'll attach the fabric to my wooden hoop, making sure it's taut and wrinkle-free. Now I'll secure the hoop onto my hoop stand. This will make stitching much easier and more comfortable, especially for a longer project like this. I've chosen a vibrant red floss that pops against the off-white background. I'll be using 4 strands, so I've removed 2 from the 6-strand floss. Now let's start stitching our fence. I'm starting about an inch from the edge of the fabric. We'll be using back stitches to create the vertical lines of our fence. First, I'll stitch 2 back stitches. Then I'll stitch 3 back stitches, followed by 4 back stitches twice, then 3 back stitches again, and finally 2 back stitches. This creates our first fence section. I'll continue stitching these fence sections along the edge of the fabric. I'm aiming to create a border that's about 12 inches long, but you can adjust the length to fit your project. Try to keep your back stitches and spacing consistent for a neat and uniform look, but don't worry if they're not perfect. It's all part of the handmade charm. Now for the weaving. Using the same red floss, I'll start weaving my needle through the fence posts. I'll begin with the top line of 4 back stitches, weaving from left to right. Tapestry needles have a blunt tip, so they're perfect for weaving because they won't snag or split the threads. Then I'll move on to the next line of 3 back stitches, weaving through those from left to right. After that, I'll weave through the next line of 2 and so on until I reach the bottom or first row of back stitches. This creates a beautiful woven effect that adds dimension and texture to our border. You can also experiment with different color combinations, thread types, and stitch variations to create your own unique border designs. To finish off our border, I'm adding a line of heavy chain stitch along the bottom edge, about 3 millimeters away from the woven fence. Continue in this way, creating a chain of linked loops. Imagine this border adorning the hem of a skirt, the edges of a tote bag, or even the neckline of a dress. And there you have it, a playful and charming fence border with a woven twist. This design is perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to all sorts of projects. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Handiworks for more stitching inspiration. Happy crafting!